treat it like, if you think about ballroom dancing, I feel like it's often the man is doing something to show off the woman. So, like, there's often, like, she's doing a dip, or she's going between the legs, or she's doing a twirl, but, like, he's holding the space for her. So I would experience it as I'm the thing that's being shown off, and my poi just helps me do that. This is even a psychological question you could be asking yourself in terms of something like this. Does this move look better performed behind me, where I'm the feature, or behind me, where the poi is the feature? And the answer is, of course, subjective and contextual, right? However, I can take it from being behind me and make myself the feature, even though it's being featured, by accentuating it with my body. Like, these are relevant questions in terms of the style that one is trying to present as a performance artist. But not everybody does this from the perspective of performance, or put differently, people who were learning in the COVID generation, especially, had no context in which they could be considering it from a performance perspective, because we were not allowed to even interact with each other, right? So there's no, why would you even think about what I just said? There aren't even people there. Best case scenario, you've got a camera watching you. How's that? There's no energetic exchange. Whereas if I stand there, whether I'm facing front or back, and I'm swaying my hips, I can see where there's a crowd response. That's very different. And so, I don't know, I just feel like your generation is, you COVID kids, I feel bad for you because you haven't experienced the fullness of what I've been fortunate enough to experience over the last couple of decades.